Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi there, if you're new here, I am Aisha and today I am going to do a makeup tutorial video and I'm only gonna use drugstore products. I know you guys love a good drugstore makeup tutorial video, and now that it's Raya season, it's high time for me to do a makeup tutorial on Raya looks. Of course, I have to do a drugstore version as well. Today, while I'm filming this, it's the 22nd of May, and this morning I went to Guardian and I bought a bunch of stuff for me to do this makeup tutorial because Guardian Beauty Day sale is back again, and this time round it's 50% off all cosmetics. So I just had to grab the chance to buy all of this stuff and also stock up on some of the good things. I want to do a makeup that anyone can achieve. So let's get on with the tutorial. Alright, so first and foremost, primer. And the primer that I will be using today is the L'Oreal Base Magique Transforming Smoothing Primer. This primer will help to give you a smooth base before you put on your foundation. Done with primer, now foundation. I've already dampened my beauty sponge, and for the foundation I am going to use the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. This foundation also has a lot of good reviews, so I'm eager to try it. This foundation is pretty full coverage, not bad. Next, I'm gonna go straight on to the brows. I'll be using the Silkygirl Expert Brow Slim Liner. This is by far one of the best eyebrow pencils that you can possibly find in the drugstore, and after the discount it's only about 11 ringgit in Guardian. Okay, now straight on to the eyes. If you want to take advantage of the 50% off at Guardian, you can also buy the Revlon eyeshadow primer. That would work as well. I'm gonna go for a warm look because that's everyone's favorite. The eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is this one from Rimmel. Keeping it simple, I'm gonna use this matte warm brown shade and apply it all over my eyelids up to below my brows. Take your time to really blend out the color. This eyeshadow is pretty pigmented and I'm loving it. Okay, so now with my fingers, I'm gonna take this shimmery shade next to it and apply it on my eyelids, but not too far up, just on my mobile eyelids. And then go back to the matte shade that we used earlier and apply that on your lower lash line. And now time for mascara, so make sure you curl your lashes first. The mascara I'll be using today is my current favorite mascara. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is also another item that you should definitely get when it's 50% off. Okay, next up, eyeliner. I'll be using this Silkygirl Wing It Sharp Liner. Not bad. I'm gonna put on some falsies real quick and I'll be right back. I've put on some falsies and also popped on some colored contacts, and now we can move on to the face. So now I'm going to highlight and conceal using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Okay, now that we've blended that out, of course we have to set it. And to set it, I will be using this Nude Illusion Loose Powder from Catrice. Time to contour. I love doing contouring because it gives my face a little bit more dimension and so it doesn't look so flat. A tip for contouring your nose, start from the bottom and then go towards the top and connect to your eyebrows. This way you are less likely to make your nose look bigger than it should be. For blush, I want to use this Rimmel Maxi blush in the shade Sweet Cheek. I've been really enjoying using this blush. It's so pigmented and at the same time buildable. I really highly recommend you to get this one. And then time for highlight. I'm gonna use this Cathy doll 3D face forward Nefertiti contour kit, and I'm gonna use the highlight that's in here. This is actually a pretty decent face palette and you should definitely get it while it's at 50% off at Guardian. I like to overdraw my lips just a little bit, so to do that I will be using this lip twister in champagne from the brand W7. You can stop right here and have a finished look like this, but if you're like me and you wanna look a little bit cute, you can take a red lipstick, and I'm gonna take this one from Maybelline. It's the Powder Mattes, and you can take this red lipstick and apply it on the inner parts of your lips to give you a more natural finish. For the very last step, of course, you want your makeup to stay all day, especially during Raya, so you have to put on a setting spray. I have here the Fixer Face Spray from the brand W7. So this is it. How do you like this look? I think it's pretty cute. Although I know I use a lot of high-end products, I wanted to let you guys know that you can achieve a nice, decent, pretty look with drugstore makeup as well. I think drugstore makeup has come a long way and they're really making the high-end makeup brands a run for their money. Most of the products that I used today are available at Guardian Malaysia, and since they have the 50% off promo right now, you should definitely go get these products before they run out of stocks. And this Beauty Days promotion is only for a limited time, only until Sunday. So please go out there and get all the products that you don't already have, because everything is half price. Don't know if we can get a better deal than that. I hope this has been helpful for you guys and inspired you guys to create a Raya look for yourself. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, as always, you can click on the subscribe button below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.